Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Apple Pay without Social Security number. Let's get started. So, this is how you can use Apple Pay to pay for your things without needing an SSN or a Social Security number. It's very easy. Let's go ahead and refer to this official article from the Apple support community. It says, I want to set up my Apple Pay, but it says that I need to enter my SSN or your Social Security number. I don't have an SSN, but I live in the USA. How can I set up without the SSN? Well, a community specialist has commented and replied to this problem. Let's read what they have to say. There you go. Thanks for reaching out. It sounds like you're being prompted for a Social Security number when you're setting up Apple Pay. The advisor actually says that Apple Pay doesn't require a Social Security number. It just requires a compatible payment method on file to draw from when you make a purchase using Apple Pay. If you're being prompted for your Social Security number, it sounds like you might actually be applying for the Apple Card credit card through Goldman Sachs instead. Here's some information you can check out about setting up Apple Pay on your iPhone. So you can go to this article right now, and then tap on this link right here, so you can have more information about setting up Apple Pay. Because like they said, you don't actually need an SSN to set up Apple Pay. And if you're looking to apply for the Apple Card instead, be sure not to post any of your personal details on the Apple support communities, as it can be read by anyone. So there you have it. You even have a warning for that. But yeah, you don't need an SSN in order to get Apple Pay, but if you want an Apple Card, you will be needing an SSN. So there may be some confusion in there. But yeah, once again, you don't need an SSN. All you have to do is just need a payment method, and you're done. So that's about it for this video.